All are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in the last video, revision video, we have discussed about the lessons and the poems. Now we are going to start with actual revision for annual exam. Okay, so in this I have divided into part 1 and part 2. We'll start now. Okay, so before starting the class, we'll follow the steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes. Be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances, and yeah, now 2 minutes of meditation. So close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes. This improves your focus. Okay children, we'll start the revision now. Okay, first main is match the following. So you have to match the following. So what you are going to match, we'll see. Okay, green, here I have written the colors, here I have written the items. Okay, you have to match with the item and the color. Okay, things I have written there: green, pink, blue, silver, red. And from the other side, coin, blood, grass, lips, sky. So as soon as you read the word coin, so what color coin will be? Silver color, no? So it's easy only. Okay, so the first color is green. So green color. So what is in all these things which will be in green in color? Grass. Grass is green in color, isn't it? So number 1. Next, pink. So pink. So what are the left out word? Coin, blood, lips, sky. So in this, which will be in pink in color? Lips. Our lips will be in pink color, isn't it? Blue. So obviously sky, no? Sky is blue, right? Yes. So 3. So what number is here? You have to put there. Okay. Silver. So silver, tell me what color? Coin. Okay. Last, red. Blood will be in red color, no? Yeah, that you have to match. Did you get children? One more time. Green, grass, green, grass, pink, lips, pink, lips, blue, sky, blue, sky, silver, coin, red, blood, red, blood. Okay, we'll see the, see, pause the video, take down this in your book neatly, because this will help you for annual examination. Okay, this will help you for annual examination. No, you again and again don't have to refer the things. Once you write down in your book, it's more than enough, isn't it children? Okay, so take down this, pause the video and take down this in your book. Children, so you can see here on the board I have written true or false. Okay, so you should read the sentence and mark whether it is true or false. So that's why I made you to revise the lessons and poems, because once you revise it, then you will recall the thing from which lesson the sentence is and whether it is true or false. And you should know to read the sentence also. Okay, the old monkey was naughty. So the old monkey was naughty, children? No, right? Who was naughty? The baby monkey was naughty, isn't it? So this sentence is false, right? F-A-L-S-E, false. It is there here only, the spelling. Okay, the monkey did not listen to his mother. Is it true or false? True. The baby monkey did not listen to his mother, isn't it? So the sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Then Gopal had 3 children. Gopal had 3 children? No, right? Gopal had only 2 children. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Then there was no water in Gopal's well. There was no water, no, so only he was getting shortage of money. No rain, no water and no ragi in fields, isn't it? So this sentence is true. There was no water in Gopal's well. Next, the log of wood was quite small. So in the naughty monkey lesson, so the 2 men were cutting the wood, no? So was it small or big, children? It was huge, no? It was big, it was large, isn't it? So this sentence is false. They are telling that the log of wood is small. No. So it's a false sentence. Yes, false. One more time. The old monkey was naughty. False. The monkey did not listen to his mother. True. Gopal had 3 children. False. There was no water in Gopal's well. True. The log of wood was quite small. False. Okay children, did you get it? Okay. So pause the video, take down this. See, remember I have written 5 questions. Take down these questions in your book, okay, and practice. Okay children, so you can see here on the board I have written write the opposites, okay. For the following words I have to write the opposites. So the first word is rich. First word is rich, R-I-C-H, rich. So opposite for rich is poor. Rich is a person who has lot of money, isn't it? And poor is a person who has less money, okay. So opposite for rich is poor. What spelling for poor? P-O-O-R, poor. So you only should learn the spelling, okay. Large, opposite for large is small, okay. Large, small. Next, more. I have more chocolates. I have more toys, okay. So for more, opposite for more is less. Less, L-E-S-S, less. Next, dirty. Dirty, opposite for dirty is clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Opposite for dirty is clean. Inside, outside. Opposite for inside is outside. Opposite for inside is outside. Then sitting, opposite for sitting is standing. Sitting, standing. Standing. So you should learn all the spellings children. So only I tell you, please do learn the spellings. Okay, you have to write in exam, no? Rich, poor. Rich, poor. Spelling for poor is P-O-O-R, poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Large, small. Large, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. More, less. More, less. L-E-S-S, less. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Dirty, clean. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Outside, what spelling for outside children? O-U-T, out. S-I-D-E, side. Outside. Next, sitting, standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. Poor, small, less, clean, outside, standing. Do you understand children? Pause the video and take down in your notebook. Okay children, so here you can see on the board, write the correct word from jumbled letters. So they have given the letters here and there. You have to write the correct word from that. So the first word is N-A-I-R. So for that the correct word will be R-A-I-N. So what is this word children? Rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Tell me. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Okay. R-A-I-N, rain. Okay. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. S-L-O-C-U-D. So by these letters you should frame a word. So cloud, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. So no other extra word you have to use children. From these letters only you should form a word. See, C is there, L is there, O is there, U is there, D and S. Isn't it? Clouds. So spell out cloud children. Clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Next, asleep. Asleep. So A-S-L-E-E-P. So this seems like asleep, like correct word only, but it's not, no. Asleep is a word. From this another word you have to frame. What is that word children? Please. Okay. P-L-E-A-S-C, please. P-L-E-A-S-C, please. Spell out children. P-L-E-A-S-C, please. P-L-E-A-S-C, please. Then threaf. T-R-E-A-F. Something word is there. No meaning for that. Threaf. So from that what word you can form? After. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. Then S-U-P-R-E. From this word what you can found? From these letters what word you can found children? rupees, rupees, rupees. One more time. Rain, clouds, please, after, rupees. So from these jumbled letters I have framed a proper word for you. Okay. So what is that? Spell out, children. R-A-I-N, rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Then clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Then please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. After, A-F-T-E-R, after. Then rupees, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees. Rain, clouds, please, after, rupees. Did you understand, children? Okay, so in today's video we have discussed match the following, learn that well, and then true or false, and then opposites we have discussed, and we also discussed jumbled letters. Okay, so these 4 mains, practice well, learn well, and in the next coming video I am going to continue the revision and we'll end up. Okay.